if you haven't done so already, download this starter file. It's a zip file. You double click it. It becomes a PSD, a Photoshop document. When you double click that, the Photoshop document, it opens up in Photoshop, and on your computer, it opens up that size. Now, so we can see all the pixels, hit Command 0. That zooms in to fill your screen, although it can't fill your screen because these pixels don't take up enough room. Photoshop can't zoom in further than 12,800 pixels. Then hit Command 1 to go back to actual size, and then image size, Option Command I. I want you to learn this, Option Command I. We're going to do image size and canvas size again and again and again and again and again and again and again. So you need to know the shortcut. Now, we need something that 8 is evenly divisible into. And let's try 2,000 pixels, because 8 times 250 is 2,000. So that means every pixel is 250 pixels. But this is just a big blur. That's because of the resample. Let's change preserve details to nearest neighbor, hard edges. Now, this is perfect. It is absolutely pixel perfect. 250 pixels by 250 pixels are all this exact color. No anti-aliasing, no fuzzy edges. Okay, click OK. Now this is 2,000 pixels, and on yours, if I hit Command plus, excuse me, that's how big it is on your screen. So hit Command 0 and then Command minus, and that gives us a little room to work. On mine it says 100%, on yours it probably says 50. We're working on different computers. So this is the foundation for what we're going to be working on. Let's not overwrite this file. Let's save as, Shift Command S, File, Save As, learn these shortcuts. Okay, Shift Command S, practice it. And then you should be saving this inside your documents, inside your Photoshop folder, inside something called MasterPixels. And I really should make a Vermeer folder for this, because I have quite a few files. I'm going to hit the right arrow in order to just accept that name, put 2000A, which means it's my first layer stack of this particular iteration of this project. Let's come back and talk about what we're going to do next.